Hi there. In this video, we're going to cover some essential tools that you should consider taking before you head off-road. So starting in the top right-hand corner, we've got some clean rags, got some plastic disposable gloves, we've got some battery jumper leads, and we've got an air compressor. Now the air compressor also has a tire pressure gauge, and here on our left, we've got a complete screwdriver set, both flat blade and Phillips head. Now we have a ring spanner set and a complete socket set as well, which come in very handy if you ever need to do any repairs or remove bash plates out in the bush. Here we have an axe and a saw, very handy if you ever need to cut pieces of timber which have lodged themselves underneath your car and between wheels. Got a measuring tape and a hammer and a shifter over here. Now we've also got a Leatherman over here, very handy multi-tool, and a set of gloves, very essential. And we've also got a tyre puncture repair kit. So in this toolbox, I've got some general tools and stuff that will hopefully get me out of trouble. So I've got some grease in here, some rags, some coat hanger wire, a little ratchet strap. Got a set of matches if you ever need them. Got some duct tape, come in handy. Got a spare sump plug and washer kit. Some electrical tape, some Allen's keys, a ruler, some plastic gloves again, some sandpaper and some rope. Got here some pliers as well, another screwdriver and other tools, some cable ties, very handy. Got some spare sump plug washers and another sump plug there to suit different vehicle. And I've also got some of this Tommy tape, and this stuff is very handy and I'll explain why very soon. And I've also got some Goss chemi-weld, which is a chemical welding compound. So if you ever have any cracks in your head or any such thing, this stuff will seal it and hopefully you can get back on the road again. Now this Tommy tape is a self-fusing silicone tape, and it can protect, seal or repair anything you can wrap. So it's pretty amazing, and especially for us, it's automotive that we're interested in. So some of the features include great electricity insulation and withstands quite high temperatures. So where we can use this is in radiator piping or fuel piping. If you ever get a leak, this will hold it, and it really works a treat. So I highly recommend you get some of this, about $13 or $14 from Bunnings. So there you have it. These are the tools I recommend you take for your vehicle to do any repairs, whatever they may be, before you head off-road. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.